I am Ryan Patrick Deluyen and I'm from the Philippines, from Baguio City. I am currently doing a 1+1 postgraduate certificates in Applied Aerospace Manufacturing and Applied Mechanical Design. I chose these programs because it is related to my profession in the Philippines and it will help me in my future career, my dream career to become an aircraft designer. I chose Fanshawe College mainly because of my programs, as well as the location because it is located in London City. It is not too big nor too small, and the cost of living here is ideal for students. Actually, being a student means dedicating ourselves, our entire selves in our education. However, with opportunities available here, we can work part-time, full-time to earn for our cost of living, for our expenses, for our rent, for our allowance. But the best part here is that you can work in the professional environment as well as working with talents from all over the world. So far, the best thing I've learned here in Canada as a student is to build your relationships and your connections. Because I know and I believe that in our future workplaces, they will require your credentials, but they will also value recommendations.
Go.
So I did have a consultation with IDP Philippines through Sir Carl Gonzaga, and it's actually for free. They made it convenient for me for my application processes in my visa and my school application. They are so knowledgeable and experienced when it comes to these things, and they clarify all the things, all my questions, concerns, and everything. That's why I'm here. I believe that we are all different. We have our own timeline. We have our own paths to take. I hope that we will invest in something we really like, we really love, and we are passionate about. Huwag lang tayo sumunod sa trends, huwag tayo sumunod sa kung ano ang available, kasi yan yung magpapadali sa buhay natin dito sa Canada, and Canada life is different from our life there in the Philippines. It's your life, it's your journey, do your study, make sure to choose the right and the best thing for you to make it worth it.